computer graphics is a creation, manipulation of any scene or object. Okay, so we will find, or we will actually feeling that in real world there are 3D scenes are. Okay, whenever our eyes are seeing front objects, or we can say scene, then what is this? That scene is in 3D. Okay, but that scene is, if we consider in devices, what the display, that scene is in 2D. Okay, so real world scene that is in 3D is required to map into 2D, because you want to show that particular scene in your devices, and devices will require that this 3D real scene must be mapped or converted into 2D. Okay, so this is one aspects of computer graphics. And creation of object, that means we have to give some shape or draw object. And if that object or shape is already available, if the scene is already available, we can manipulate, we can perform some changes according to the need. So manipulation is this. So computer graphics deals all these of creation and manipulation, and of course storage part is also related with that. So this is computer graphics. So computer graphics main task what? So make some objects, give some shape. So that is modeling, and that modeling should be accessed or performed. Also consider, actually can say consider in the light aspect. That means how much amount is imposed on the object, and in which direction we want to see that object, from which direction we are seeing, किस डायरेक्शन से हम उस ऑब्जेक्ट को देख रहे हैं, हमारा पॉइंट ऑफ रेफरेंस क्या है, और लाइट कितनी उस ऑब्जेक्ट पे इम्पोज हो रही है. द लाइट इज डायरेक्टली इम्पोज्ड ऑन ऑब्जेक्ट, और मे बी द लाइट इज imposed first some object, and then after that the reflected light is imposed the object where we want to do something. So this can be some perspective points, the point of perspection or the viewpoints. So rendering is there. We can see easily these the looks for if we our perspective of seeing or look the object will different. And another point, if you want to put some movement, or you want to infuse some movement in the objects, then animation will be there. Okay, so your the part will be in moving. तो हम क्या कर रहे हैं, हम पहले क्रिएट कर रहे हैं, सेव दे रहे हैं, फिर उसको किस पर्सपेक्टिव में हम क्रिएट कर रहे हैं या देख रहे हैं, फिर उसका उसमें अगर मोशन हम क्रिएट कर रहे हैं, कोई मूवमेंट दे रहे हैं. तो ये कंप्यूटर ग्राफिक्स मेन टास्क है इनके. और कंप्यूटर ग्राफिक्स के लिए हम एल्गोरिथम्स, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस, इमेज प्रोसेसिंग, और जो हम देख रहे हैं उसे दिखाना चाहते हैं, ये पार्ट है, इसलिए हमें ज़रूरी है. Application of computer graphics is very, the area of application is very vast. Each and everywhere you can apply, each and everywhere you can find computer graphics. Okay, so science, engineering, advertisement, education, training, so all fields you can easily see the applications of computer graphics. Some examples are CAD is, so computer aided designs are used in the designing part, or if you want to present some graphics, so you need to charts or graphical positions, graphical images. So artwork, if you want to make some movies or you want to take some training, you need computer graphics. So if you want to present a comparative study or summary of some analysis, you need to you need to display your result or your analysis or a comparison through these charts. You are easily you present your analysis or comparison through these charts and graphs. So it's a computer graphics part to represent this. And then you again see this is a CAD example where the manufacturing or the designing part is calculated and analyzed first before actually preparing or implementing or manufacturing that item or the part. We first calculate all the aspects regarding the manufacturing or designing. So there's pros and cons we can easily get. So it will reduce the time, it will also reduce the cost. So saving time, saving cost is through this computer graphics is possible. See the film ratio, film aspects, this type of graphics. Suppose some director is assuming the some imagination and put this imagination into part or the images part. Computer graphics will help to design this imagination into reality. Not exactly reality, but in terms of images. So like this, these and also are not possible in current time, but these can be computerized or designed to computer graphics. So scenes can be designed. So in film, computer graphics plays a big role. Likewise, if you see game industry, this is the turnover of the game industry. You all know very huge amount is invested and refund is taken. Likewise, see, most of you are playing actually. Okay, you are involved in this, so graphics and the imagination can be put into reality so that these games can be created. You can play, you are investing your time, you are passing your time, but someone is making some money to this, and this is possible only computer graphics. So images can be formulated today. And also a very big portion when, if I say a pilot wants to some training before flight or first flight, so this virtual training room which is set up by with the help of computer graphics, the instrument or the setup is designed to give the training. This pilot take training before actually perform the flight.